Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain the user management task. These are the tasks that I'm going to explain are regular tasks that we perform on daily basis, like creating a user with a custom user ID and creating the group with a customer group ID and adding the user to any particular group and changing the primary group of user and setting the password date or expiring the setting the password days. After a few days, the user's password has to expire, and locking the account, unlocking the user's account, and forcing the users to change the password when the user is logged in once the user's account is created, and after that asking the user or forcing the users to change the password when he log in. Okay, and locking the user account, unlocking the user account, and disabling the shell login. Sometimes we may be required to disable the login. Okay, and so these are the tasks or topics that I'm going to explain today. So these are regular tasks that we as a Linux administrator do on a daily basis. Okay. Now let's create the user with a particular group ID. Okay. So how to create the user ID? Before we creating the user account, let's ensure that user account does not exist. So how to check whether user account is exist or not exist is enter ID and username. Okay, the username I'm going to create is user account I'm going to create is John. So with the ID and username, we can verify whether user account is exist or not. So it is saying that John, no such user. Okay, so therefore we can create the user account. So how to create the user account is user add. Before that, we are not uh, you know we should use the sudo as a privileged to create any account. Okay, so user add uh, hyphen u. Let's say I'm going to create the user account with the ID 5001 and John. Okay. Now this is the how we can create the user account with a particular group user ID. Okay. So to have a user ID, we should mention hyphen u. Okay. Now let's check whether user account is created or not. Yes, the user account with a 5001 user ID is created. Okay. Now let's create the system account. Okay, system user, it is normal user, this is system user. System user is different from the normal user account. So to create normal user account, let's create a normal user account. So to create normal user account, we should use the hyphen r. Okay, so here I'm going to create the system account, system user account, that is a backup user. Okay, so backup user is the system user account that I'm going to create. Hyphen r indicates a system user account. Okay, now system user account is created. Let us verify whether system user account is created or not. Yes, system user account is created. Likewise, we can verify, or else we can verify the grep. See, we can see we can verify with by gripping the username and slash etc passwd. User's account information stored in slash etc slash passwd file. So here, see, we have mentioned has been no login as a shell. Since it is a system's account, therefore it is not allowed to have access to the to have privileged permissions like rewrite, execute, and all. And whatever the permission that we intend to grant to the user. It is since it is a user account, system user account, therefore this user account does not have any login access. Okay. So now we have created the system user account. Okay. Now, if you want to create the group, okay. So how to create a group? So creating the group is like we have a command group add. Okay. So let's I'm going to create the group name called Linux admins. So how to create group add hyphen G, and I want to create the group Linux admins with a particular group ID, that is 6001 Linux admins. Okay, so this is the group. This is the name of the group. This is a group ID, and this is the command group add hyphen G and group ID and name of the group. Okay, so before that we need to create. Yes, now we have created the group named Linux admins. Let us grep whether the group is created or not. Slash it is. So group accounts information was stored in slash it is slash group file. Let's see group name Linux admin with the group ID 6001 is created. Okay, now let's see if you see here John's uh, John's primary group is group. Sorry, John. If you grab John, see, see John's group. See group. John's group is John. Okay, he doesn't have any group other than John. John is his own group. Okay, so whenever user account is created, along with the user group also created with the same name, that is whatever the user account name is John, the same group name same group with the same name is created. Okay, so I want to what I'm going to do is I just want to change the primary group. Okay, John is a primary group. Okay, so if I want to change the primary group, okay, so primary group right now is John, so I want to change the primary group to Linux admins. So how to change the primary group is user mode. Sorry, the command is user mode hyphen G Linux admins and John. See the command to change the primary group is user mode hyphen G is for primary group. Okay, capital G is for secondary group. Okay, let's so right now we are setting the John's primary group is Linux admin. Okay, so this is how we can set the primary group. Now the John's primary group is changed. Let's see whether primary group is, yeah, if you see here, John's primary group has been changed to Linux admins. Okay, that's how we can change the user's primary group using the user mode command. Okay, now let's see user John's password details. How to check the John's password details is the command chase hyphen L and username. Sorry, the permission is, see if you see here the command to s- command to know or to command to get the details of the user's password details is chase hyphen L John. These are users account and password details. Okay, so when the account is going to expire, when the password is going to expire or inactive, and when was the password set. So these are the information we get with the help of chase command. Okay, so so these are the information, these are the details of the user's account. Next, we will see few more details of the user's Linux administration regular activities. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.